Hey guys, my name is Shantae, and today what I'm going to do is share with you the top 10 remote positions of 2026 that you can actually work remotely from home. Yes, and there are good paying positions as well. So generally, I'm known for just basically posting videos of jobs that's hiring now. But what I thought I should do is just give you some ideas on ways that you can actually increase your knowledge, increase your resume, and think about maybe going into a different direction if you are thinking about going into a different career direction as to where you can make more money. All right, so let's go ahead on and get into it. But first, if you haven't done so, please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content like this because it really does help. I will greatly appreciate it, okay? First position that I'm going to discuss with you is going to be a remote software engineer position. Yes. So a lot of people have decided to go into tech these days. And quite frankly, I get it because there's a lot of money that is in tech. But with the remote software engineer position, basically what you would do is just design, test, and maintain, as well as develop software applications, okay? So you would do this from home instead of having to go into the office. So if you have those qualifications already, then I would suggest to start looking for a remote work from home job. That way you can make that $138K annually from home. Another job that I have came across a lot this year is going to be a senior product manager. Okay, so this is a number 2 position. So a senior product manager makes around $134,000 annually. I have also seen them make much more. Now, generally what a senior product manager does, basically what they do is take leadership. They have a leadership role where they basically provide product vision, strategy. It's similar to management. So to like a management position, but you have to have years of experience. So generally they want you to have somewhere like 5 to 8 years of experience in product management, have a bachelor's degree, different technical skills like Agile and Scrum, Jira, analytics tools. They also want you to have leadership experience, great communication, be able to provide the data for the position, and you have to be fast paced, and you also have to be able to generally provide different types of presentations. Y'all, I couldn't think about that word. But yeah, you generally have to give presentations as well, but you do have to have the experience as well as the background, the education in order to even get in the door for this position. But if you do meet those qualifications, and I have seen people who have, then definitely apply for this position. The third one is going to be a data engineer. So with the data engineer, this is still on the techie side. So with this position, it does pay around $132,000 annually. And basically what you do is build and manage data pipelines, okay? So a lot of the technical positions are still doing great. So even with the AI going on, still the data engineers, as well as software engineers, they're still doing great. So that's number 3. The fourth one is going to be a senior project manager. I see this time and time again. Now with this position, they pay at least $116,000 a year. And basically what they do is oversee different projects. They also do strategic planning, lead cross-functional teams, manage budget, risk, ensure stakeholder communication, drives the project delivery as well. So they make sure that that project is taking effect and on the road to being completed like it should. Now, the key qualifications for this position is going to be a bachelor's degree with 5 to 10 years of experience, okay? So that's one key role to get a position like this. Now, the number 5 job that I'm going to share with you is an agile coach, scrum master, right? What they do is facilitate teams to work effectively using the agile system and principles. And basically they focus on single teams, scrum process, like meetings, removing blockers, coaching on rules, things of that nature is what they do. So that's number 5, and they generally make around $139,000 annually working from home. All right, so number 6 is an enterprise sales executive. With this position, the pay is around $139,000 annually. And basically what you do is sell complex solutions to large clients. So if you have a background in sales already, this may be something that you may already qualify for. Just do a Google search and pull up the executive sales positions and see if you qualify for those positions. Now, once again, that's $139K annually in your pocket. So number 7 is a user interface designer position. So with user interface, this one is basically designs intuitive digital interfaces. So this is a $137,000 job per year. So all of these jobs that I'm going over with you is over $100,000 per year. So if you're making $40,000, $50,000 a year and you're looking to change career paths, these would be some good career paths to change too. So the user interface, $137K annually, and basically they just design digital interfaces. I'm sure there's quite a lot more that's included into it. You can also research it. I'm going to put it on the screen so you have it for later. Also, number 8 is going to be a senior machine learning AI engineer, builds AI models and systems. The average for that one is $155,000 annually. And this is in demand. You see this everywhere. So if you're already in tech, increase your skills to get that extra $20,000 or $30,000 annually, right? Number 9 is going to be a remote nurse practitioner. Telehealth. Telehealth is everywhere. Hospitals have telehealth. Everybody has telehealth. Clinics, everybody. So a nurse practitioner is making at least $116K working from home. Not leaving out of her home, working from home. So this is something you might want to think about too if you like the medical field. Number 10 is going to be a remote customer success account executive. And basically what they do is manage clients' relationships and grow. If you are a people person, boost those qualifications, take a few courses, whatever you got to do in order to enhance your resume to make that $115K annually. All right, so those are those 10 jobs that I have for 2026 that are top paying remote positions. If you're looking to increase your career path, increase your pay, whatever, I would suggest to look into these positions. Thank you guys for watching. Be blessed. And don't forget to like and share, subscribe.